points in looking at these two schools was looking at the population of our district. And certainly we want to keep schools where our students are. And when we look at the student distribution throughout our district, obviously we have a high density in the city, but also we have a high density in the southeastern quadrant of our district, in the Mattoon and Crestwood area. As you go farther north into the west side of our district, it's far more sparsely populated, and that results in longer bus routes and many more bus routes. So it has to do with where our students are and the transportation costs that are associated with that population density.
So on the graph, the bottom line is our revenue limit. And the revenue limit is a per pupil allocation that the state allows us to spend. The red line would be the revenue limit if we had level enrollment. So if we look at the graph, at 2006, we both started the same enrollment. And the upper red line indicates where we would be today if we had the same enrollment. The bottom line is where our revenues are currently. The area that I have shaded underneath is the example of where we have cut the budget to balance our shortfall in revenues. So basically, we're in a situation not unlike many districts with declining enrollment, that we have to figure out how, from an operational sense, we can reduce our costs to balance the budget. So what does that mean? If we have an operation that we've got 7 schools with duplicated services, and now we have a teacher in front of, whether it's 20 kids or 10 children, our revenue is different, but our costs of operation can be as much as twice the cost. So somehow, as a community, we have to understand that operating 7 schools is much less efficient than operating, let's say, 3. So the purpose from a business perspective is to make our operation much more efficient and to lower our costs.
Thank you for watching this video. Please vote on April 5th.